Hello, sixth grade. Hi, sixth grade. This video is for Tuesday morning, the 31st of March, the last day of March. And you are very quickly nearing the end of your novel. We had to make some adjustments because the vacation starts 4 days early next week. So we are going to wrap up your novel on Friday. We'll have a short quiz type test over the entire novel. And hopefully, when we come back together, we'll be able to watch the movie and have some stronger discussion regarding that. So, section 4 is due on Wednesday of this week, and the epilogue is due on Friday. The schedule in the LMS has been adjusted, so make sure that you are looking at that carefully. The grammar assignment is for page 92, which is dealing with the basic simple tenses. We'll briefly go over that and then look at your assignments so that you can have the bulk of your time this week to work on your novel. On page 92, it reminds you what tense is, and basically tense expresses the time of the action or a state of being. So the simple present tense tells about an action that happens again and again, and about things that are general truths. So the simple present tense uses the present or the base form of a verb. If, however, the subject is a third person singular noun or pronoun, the verb form takes an S ending, which means we simply add an S to the ending depending on what the subject is. Meteor showers occur at certain times of the year. When a meteor reaches the ground, it is called a meteorite. So you see the difference in the first sentence. Meteor showers occur because showers is plural. We do not have an S on the end of the verb. And in the second one, meteor is singular. So then we do add an S to the verb, which is kind of a crazy thing to think about. It's the opposite of what we do with making nouns plural. The simple past tense talks about an action that happened in the past. The simple past tense uses the past form, and generally that's ed, unless we have an irregular verb, which we have in our example. Jan and Greg saw a meteor shower in November. Indicates that it's over and done with. It happened in the past and it's done. The last tense is the future tense. The simple future tense tells about an action that will happen in the future. In other words, it hasn't happened yet, and it is going to happen at a different time in the future. We can do that, form that by using will or by saying be going to, followed by the base form, the main form of the verb. So for instance, another meteor shower will occur next month. Will occur indicates future. In the second example, my family and I are going to, and then we use what's called the infinitive, to watch. That's your base form of the verb. So basically, this is a review for you of your basic tenses. You have all three of them listed there. And your assignment will be exercise 1 on page 92. It says identify the verb in each sentence and tell its tense. So we have to do two things. Number 1, a meteor appears briefly in the sky as a streak of light. What is our verb? Our verb is appears. And what tense is it? Present. So your answer is appears and present. Now this assignment will be due for you on Thursday of this week. Blessings. Enjoy the end of the novel. It's a great story.